guys, welcome back to another drag day. I'm standing with the one and only Tanner Fox, my brother.
Yeah.
And a year ago, we were in the same spot. He was driving FSG 10, the CAMARO ZL1.
Oh yeah.
I was in FSG 11, the Challenger. So today we're stepping it up. He has the GTR with him. Tell us if you have a 5-second build sheet.
So we got a Liberty Walk Alpha 9 GTR that's cutting power right now.
Must add.
I must add. So that's what I'm gonna be driving. We got Lindsay in the Camaro.
I'm in the 1 LE, you guys. His car is cutting power, so
Let's go, let's go.
let's do it.
Doesn't work, bro. This is overheating. Are you serious, bro? Yeah. He's like, can you go again? I'm like, yeah, I'll go again.
Tanner won the first one, I won the second, and this is it. Girls rule, boys rule.
Sometimes in life, God gives you lemons. And those lemons might be that your car doesn't work so your sister can beat you in a race. I think full power, it cuts out, so maybe we'll try not to do that.
Okay, it fully cut horsepower like at the end there, but that was better because it didn't stop. But it was only giving me 400 horsepower in the last half of that. What else? I'm like, that sucks. My car doesn't work.
I got you on the second one, but I couldn't even get
What
traction
happened on the third
I
one?
could not get traction for like half of the way. It didn't feel like it was doing anything.
Okay, so the first run, Lindsay ran a 10.3 and Tanner ran an 8.8. Tanner took the first one. Second one, Lindsay ran a 9
That was my good run.
and Tanner ran an 8.8.
Wait, what?
Yep.
I thought I won the second one.
you didn't win it.
And then last one, Lindsay ran an 11.4
Yeah, I did do
and
good there.
Tanner
Don't
ran
even
a
tell him
9.1.
mine. Don't even talk about mine.
No, you won all three.
I know,
thought
but
won
the
second
numbers
one.
are bad.
Okay, but his car only works halfway. That's our
Yeah.
Well,
Next time I'll have
good
it too.
game.
you still won
You
with
still
half
won.
the car.
Let's go.
You guys,
Or she
don't
did.
forget you can take
I
home
didn't go.
this Camaro ZL1 1LE plus 10K cash by heading to freedomstreetgarage.com. Every t-shirt gets you automatic entries, become a member, get exclusive benefits, entries every single month, and you could take home this beautiful muscle car track machine. Can't win if you don't play. Good luck. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.